Hey guys, this is Fizzy EAH Emoji, and today we are going to be making a volcano. I found this volcano science kit at Michael's, and it might not erupt, but it's worth a try. This kit involves a volcano learning guide, some molds to make our volcano, some rocks, erupting powder, volcano plaster, paint, a paintbrush, and a popsicle stick to stir. First, connect the two parts of the volcano mold. Place the mold upside down on top of the eruption chamber. For this next part, you are going to need a container that you can throw away. I just changed clothes because, guys, this is going to get very messy. You're going to pour all the plaster into the cup. Move to a bigger container because if you add any more plaster, it's going to overfill, and we didn't even add the water yet. I have 3/4 of water ready to get poured into my cup. Use the popsicle stick to stir. Now we have to pour the plaster into our mold and then let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. So guys, you're going to need to place it on a paper towel because ours leaked all over the table. Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes and the directions say to check and see if it has set. Okay guys, I'm going to flip this over, then pull the molds away. Instructions give us the choices to let it sit in the sunlight for 2 whole days or put it in the oven for 2 hours at 200 degrees. I decided to put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 2 hours. I preheated the oven to 200 degrees and now I'm ready to place it in the oven. I am setting the timer for 2 hours. Okay, here we are. It has time to been cooking. It has been drying off. We've let it cool for like a few hours and be in the oven for a few hours. So now it's time to paint. We have 2 reds, 2 yellows, and 2 orange. We were disappointed they didn't have any brown, so we took some of our paint and mixed orange and green, and it made a brown. So that's what we're going to use for the outside of our volcano. Finished painting my volcano, and now it's time for it to dry. I decided to make a barrier because if it's going to erupt, it's going to get messy. It's finally time to watch this thing erupt. So for the first thing you're going to need is 1 spoon of citric acid and 1 spoon of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so the directions say to add water. Will it work? Will it erupt? Or will it not? Whoa, that's cool. Listen to how it sounds. I give this volcano kit a 100. And this looks like soda, but you should not drink it or eat it. And this was really fun watching it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.